Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit video in Capcut similar to Alight Motion. So Alight Motion is like an editor and I'm going to add a new transition in this video which is similar to Alight Motion. So to add a transition, you just need to go to this white box right here, just click on that, and here the transition menu will pop up and you can just choose the one that is fits your needs the most. For example, I want to use social media. There are also MG like this slide. I'm going to choose effect, and okay, so I'm going to choose one of them. So I'm going to choose diagonal, and this can be applied to hold the video. Just click on apply to all and click on the check icon, and let's see how the transition looks like. Okay, so that is how you can add a transition or an edit in Capcut similar to Alight Motion. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.